All right, what is going on, guys? It's your boy here with another video. No, I've been a little absent in a while. So I got my car here actually in my garage. I'm in the process of trying to get the motor rebuilt because if I haven't explained already or told you guys, we got a car, 2018 Mustang GT. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking a little rough right now, but I have all the body parts that I need for the car, including the front bumper. It's actually sitting right over here. I just don't have it on the car yet because I'm trying to get the engine fixed first. Once I get the engine fixed, then we'll take it back to the body shop. They'll do all the body work, everything, paint the car, and it'll be good to go. Here's the car right here. Probably thought I was capping. No, sir. So as you can see, the car's original color is Kona blue. We have another colored fender here. I need to get another bolt so this can bolt up all the way. I have the mirror. It's actually in a trunk, but you can see this is like a maroon red. Had to get a different door. This is where the main damage was. It's gonna be a little hard to see, but this is the rear quarter panel right here where it was damaged. I already have this whole piece as well as the rocker. The rocker underneath the car was damaged as well. So I have all the body parts and everything. So like I said, I know it looks a little rough, but I have all the body parts. We also have a different colored rear bumper as well. And the car did come with some Euros. The battery's dead right now, so I'll have to find a way to charge the car up. Battery's dead right now, so I'll have to go buy like a little battery charging thing because I don't have any jumbo cables on me. Anyways, in today's video, I had bought some hood struts for this car. I've actually had these hood struts since January, I want to say. Yeah, had them from January. Shout out to Anthony, my boy. He hooked them up for my birthday. Let's go ahead and take a look at them though. So they are these Ford Performance hood struts. Watched the video online last night, so we're going to install them today because honestly, guys, in my opinion, these Mustangs, this is a 2018 car, it should have came from the factory with hood struts, in my opinion. So here's the front bumper, GT500 front bumper. I got it from 77 Performance, but I think I originally bought it from S550 Euros. Yeah, but it's a 77 Performance bumper. Interior of the car is mint and pristine. We have a carbon fiber shift knob right there. I don't think I've ever shown you guys what actually looks inside of here. But like I said, the battery is dead, so I'll have to get a charger to charge up the car. But it's not like it necessarily matters because, let me unpop this trunk here. Because the car won't turn on. Because like I said, I have to get the engine rebuilt. So I'm in the process of, I'm trying to find a machine shop that's reputable, that is not charging me an entire lot of money just to rebuild the engine. Because so far I found a few shops. One of them is asking a minimum of like $4 grand of a down payment just for me to bring in the car for them to open up the motor and everything. Now keep in mind, I know it's gonna cost some money to rebuild this engine. You know, rebuild engines are not cheap. However, if I can find someone local that can do the job in total for about 4 or 5 grand versus to even look at the car, I'm spending at least a minimum of 4K, I'm gonna go with that option as long as they're credible. Here's what the car looks like right now. I have the exhaust tips. I'm actually gonna raise this thing up and see if I can't reattach them. Here's the rear quarter damage. Probably, I don't know how well it had picked up on camera before, but I had a shop. They actually pulled it out a little bit because it was actually, believe it or not, more pushed in. And that's why this rear bumper is not sitting properly on here. And then this as well, you know, is pushed in. The rocker is missing. I don't know necessarily what happened here because when I saw the car yesterday, this tire was perfectly fine. And then it wasn't, thank God it's not sitting on the rim because these are HREs. I'm gonna see if I can't get these fixed. I'm not really sure because that has a big hole. Like I said, if the owner's watching this, hit me up because I need to know what exactly happened. All that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and install these hood struts and I'll just do like a time-lapse video.
hours later.
Alright guys, so it's actually the next, well, it's been a few days actually, I'm not gonna lie. So I ended up getting those hood struts on top of the car, or I guess installed on the car. Car is very dirty right now. I actually have the wheels off the car currently because I was gonna try and put some air in the wheels. Turns out the tires are completely just, well, the rear tire has a hole in it. It's gonna be a little hard to see. So the rear tire has a complete hole in it, and then the front tire is, I don't even know. They were both were holding air, and then they just, till they weren't, basically. I'm also gonna just go ahead and order 2 new sets of HREs, simply because the car already came with the HREs, right? And I'll go ahead and pop the hood here so you guys can see just how well the hood struts work. I love them. I installed them, like I said, and since I've installed them, they've worked flawlessly. I believe these wheels are like 20-inch. So they're gonna run, I already checked on HRE, they're like 600 a pop. So it'll be like 1200. But like I said, the whole driver's side of the car is completely fine, aside from the car just being ridiculously dirty. But yeah, so looking at both sets right now, you guys won't really be able to see because it's really dark, but they're both completely fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep running the HREs for a little while. I'll just go ahead and order two more sets of those. Like I said, interior of the car is perfectly in mint condition. Still smells like a brand new car, in my opinion, if this is how Mustangs smell. Battery's completely dead, so I'll have to get a new battery as well. Let me go ahead and pop this open for you guys real quick so you can see just how well it works. So there you go, just like that. I honestly, like I said, I think that the Mustang should have came with the hood struts from the factory. Like I said, we have big things coming for this car. I have to be patient. It's killing me on the inside, you know, like I said, because I've had this car literally since December, and it's just been such a long process at getting this car back to where it's going to need to be. But it will be there slowly, not slowly, but surely enough so I can get in this car and bang some gears. I'm definitely going to also be ordering a short throw shifter for this car as well, as I have driven these 5.0s with a short throw, and I feel like that is a necessary must for the car, because that stock MTR82, I definitely don't want to damage it. I'm really hoping that I didn't pick this car with a faulty transmission. I've looked on the Carfax. There's been no issues with the car, and the car is right now sitting with 45,468 miles on the car. So as far as I know, the car has no history of anything breaking on it. Unfortunately, like I said, since the car is salvaged, all the warranties and everything that came with the car went along with the car since it was salvaged, which sucks in my opinion, but you know, it is what it is. Thankfully, the airbags never deployed. I'm gonna have to get this roof line fixed. I'm also gonna be trying to look to see if y'all know anyone in the DFW area who can do a star line roof. I will definitely be installing that on this car, as y'all can kind of see it's pretty dark in here, I'm not gonna lie. So I know once I get the tint, it's gonna be darker, so it would look really sick with the star line headline that I'm gonna get on this car. But yeah, I can't wait to be banging gears in this car, guys. Oh, you have no idea. This is a big motivation for me to really just be pushing to get this thing done. If you guys liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one, guys. And remember to keep shifting forward.
Yeah, feel me. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.